Yo, hello guys, this is Next God Creations here. Today I'm going to take you through a few manipulation tips in Photoshop. Stay tuned, let's dive into it. So we are going to use this 2PNG to create something like this. First of all, this is our working space. So let's import our 2PNG images. So this is the first one. It has opened with Camera Raw, so I'll press OK, then scale it up. Now let's rasterize the image. We are now going to remove the background using the automatic Photoshop AI. So this is the image. Now it's a PNG. It doesn't have any background. So now what we are going to do is that we want to cut out only the head from the body using the pen tool. So this is how you do it. You draw around the head. Now after selecting, click on selection, then press OK. Then using the shortcut Ctrl X, it will cut the image, then Ctrl V to paste it. Now we don't need the body anymore, so you have to delete it. Let's scale it up a bit. Let's import the second image, which is the full image. It will also open via Camera Raw, so you press OK. We are going to remove the background for this image too by rasterizing. Right click, then click on rasterize. Scroll down using the Photoshop AI, click on remove background. So I want to position it in a way that it will be of the same height of the head. So rulers will help me do that better. I have to reduce it a bit to fit the height. Now let's create a mask to clean part of the image that we don't need, for the head. So increase the size a bit, then increase the hardness because I don't want soft edges. Then make sure your brush is on black, then you paint over the areas you don't need to clean it like this. Now that is it. So let's make the head a black and white using Camera Raw. So go to filter, then you see the Camera Raw. We are going to make a little adjustment, then turn the picture into a black and white image. So in order to turn the picture to black and white, reduce both your saturation and your vibrance. So for the basic adjustment, it depends on your image. so adjust it to your liking. So you keep adjusting till you get what you want, then you press OK. Now the image is black and white. Now let's create a background for our design using the rectangular shape. So this is the background, so you push it below all the layers. Then you use the gradient overlay. So go to FS gradient overlay. I want the color to be a gradient of blue and white. So I'll head over to the gradient, then change the colors to blue, sea blue and white. So I sample the color from the JC. Then I change the other side to white. Yes, so in order to get the white in the middle, you have to change the blending to the radial mode. This is how the background looks like. So now let's create a shadow for both image to make them realistic. So use your brush tool, make sure to reduce the hardness, then change the brush to black. So you right click, then reduce the hardness, then you click once. Then holding your shift key, stretch from the up like this. You get a nice shadow. Then you duplicate the same thing for the first image too, using the Ctrl J. Like this. That's our shadow for the image. It will make the design to look realistic. Now let's make a little adjustment for the image, the second image, the one with the ball. Let's make some simple adjustment for it in Camera Raw. So what I do more time is I try the auto version, then I'll make some little adjustment. Now the image is popping. That's what I want. And now this is the final design. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. I hope today you learned something. See you next time.